Hey, what's up guys, it's Nunez, and this is my 2003 BMW M3. And before I give you guys more information, whoever in the comments below can guess what exhaust I have on this car, I will, in the end of the video, I'll put an exhaust note, I'll rev it, y'all can hear it, I'll show you here right now. But whoever can guess in the comments below, I will Zelle you or cash out whatever $100, because I know none of y'all will be able to guess. And no, it's not the Diablo exhaust. I wish. I mean, obviously, once I rev it and shit, you'll be able to see. It's not, but it was too much money. I'm a college student, can't afford it, whatever. But who can ever guess it, I'll send you $100. All right, let's start. All right, so I got this car back in April, around April 20th, and I got it for $14,000. And I got it in San Antonio. Currently live in Denton, Texas. And this car has the 18-inch rims. It is a soft top. It is an OG manual transmission, no conversion. Has a pretty clean interior considering the age of the car. It currently has 109,000 miles. When I bought it, it had 106. The previous owner installed a aftermarket radio, has Apple CarPlay, is pretty cool. So obviously, because it's a convertible, it does weigh more than the regular coupe. It actually adds 398 more pounds. Alright, so I'll show you guys the back here. It is pretty spacious. It's more spacious whenever you put away the soft top container or whatever. As you can see here, right now it's away, so the convertible top won't go down. If you want it to go down, you have to push this lever and pull up the container, and that's where it'll go. In the trunk, you also have your tools right here. Alright, so now let me show you guys the engine. So for those who don't know, this is a 3.2 liter naturally aspirated inline 6-cylinder engine. It produces 333 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Let's talk about the big three: subframe, rod bearings, and Vanos. So the subframe, convertibles actually don't suffer the same issues as the coupes because of the structural rigidity and the extra steel. The rod bearings and Vanos, we checked that and everything was good, thankfully. Alright, now it's time to listen to the exhaust. Remember, comment below what exhaust you think is installed.